breaking update. This is an attack on a collector that has now been reported in Telangana. Police mentioned KTR's name in the remand report. As far as earlier, the BRS former MLA was arrested by the police and was produced before the court, alleging that he conspired the attack and even attempted to murder case that was booked against him. Narendra Reddy, we are told, has now been sent to 14-day custody. In this remand report, the police has mentioned that Patnam Narendra acted on the instructions of the BRS top leader and he was constantly in touch with the accused who carried out the attack. Now, after the police included the BRS working president KTR's name in the remand note, BRS supporters in huge numbers arrived at KTR's residence in Hyderabad in the wake of the rumor that he might get arrested by the police. So this is a development that has now taken place. Exactly what is the police saying now, Somit?
Well, massive controversy erupted after the attack on the collector and the officials, who arrived at the village for the opinion collection were attacked and chased away by the villagers. And later the police have identified that one of the accused is a local BRS leader. And he has conspired to attack them. And later, 55 people were arrested. And yesterday, the interesting development has came forward. And the police, Vikarabad police, arrested former Kodangal MLA, Patnam Narendra Reddy, so it is now the CM's constituency. So Narendra Reddy has conspired, and also even attempt to murder case has been invoked against him, and even four other BRS leaders, all of them taken into the custody, produced before the court and sent to the judicial custody for 14 days. And they were lodged into the Chellapalli Central Prison. And later, then, we have access, the Times now has access the remand report, in which it is clearly mentioned that, Narendra Reddy has been giving instructions to Suresh, the prime accused in the attack case, who is also the local BRS leader, and Narendra Reddy acted on the behest of the KTR, the prime leader of the BRS party, is what the police has mentioned in the remand report, and the KTR is yet to respond.
All right, so Amit, thank you very much. As far as amid the rumors of possible arrest of KTR, there have been several BRS supporters also that are gathered outside this residence. And this is coming across as far as days after the Vikarabad collector was thrashed. This is on part of the ongoing investigation. Let's